So in this video, I will introduce you one X control you can use for your Elipse Power project. And this X control is to show the trend chart, the real-time trend chart on screen. So in my project that I reuse from the previous video, I already have initial screen with one single line diagram, and I have 3 demo tags that simulate the value. And in my substation 1 here, in the bus bar, I have 3 measurements: voltage AB, voltage BC, and voltage CA. And if each of them have SCADA data source, and the data tag is the source of the data tag is the 3 demo tag value. So I want to show this signal in a trend chart, and I want to be able to filter the signal. So to do this, I can go to my initial screen. Here I already make a button, and this button can help the user to go to this other screen, and this screen is a trend chart screen. So here I can insert my X control for the trend chart. So first I need to insert the new library. So here in my project I have one folder, Power Library. I will insert the Power first, the Power Training Extra library, add, and I also will insert the Power Chart Filter library, and I will also add. Okay, so now if I check carefully, I have one Power Chart Filter. So here I have the Treeview filter that will help me to filter by equipment and signal, and here I have the trend chart. So I have also some button to add pen. From the Treeview filter I can add pen, select pen from my filter, remove them, and I can check all the possible equipment, and I also can uncheck all from the Treeview. Okay, so now I can go to my screen here. So this is my X control interface. So I need to insert in my trend chart screen, I need to insert this one of instance of this X control. So it's a Power Chart Filter. Then this X control here needs to receive some input. So the input is the data structure source. So the data structure source is one X object you can find here, and I can create one instance only in my data server of this X object. Then I go back to my screen here, trend chart screen. I just connect the Power Data Structure 1 to the data structure source. Then my component is ready. Then for the display, I need to go to script, and I need to go to the trend chart screen, the screen that receive my component, Power Chart Filter, and I choose the event on show. Then I make a new script, and here in the new script, I will choose this icon here, the application rudder, and I will add in my screen. I have one component, Power Chart Filter, and I will add the property Mount Treeview, and I will set this property to true. So I can save and I can run. So I can go to my screen here, and here I have all the equipment in my system. So I can choose the pen I want to display, so voltage AB, then I added pen. So the pen is here, is added, and here the pen is already drawing. And I can also add more. So here I have a 3 pen with different color. Then I have all my 3 pen here. So the pen now they have the same value. So you will not be able to see because they have the same value. So if I want to check more carefully the difference between the pen, you can go to the demo tag and you can change the period if you want. You can change the period. Then you can also change the scan. So let's check again. Now it should be the difference period. So if I choose these 3 pen and add them, then here I can see the 3 pen with 3 different color here, and I can check also the value X and Y. If you want to set this component properly, you can go directly to the X control. So first, you can first check the screen here. This power chart filter, you have to check carefully the property, but it seems there's no any property for the scaling. So you can go to the object library like X control, and you can choose the power chart filter. This component here, you can set the property as we learned in E3. We can learn the axis, vertical, configure, and here I can change from 0 to 100. Then I can just register and I can run again. So now if I go back here, I have my axis scale from 0 to 100. So if I add my 3 pen, then the 3 pen will be scaled correctly to my TrendChart. So this component is very useful because the user can pick any one of the measurement he want to show on screen, and he can see and isolate which signal he wants. And he can also combine several signals in the same tree chart, and he can do this in real time.